Well, here's a problem that people can have a real difficult time uh, trying to solve. And when you see the actual solution, you kick yourself and at it being so easy. Now, here's the image. You have this figure with the given dimensions. And the problem is that you're supposed to find the base. And so you have you have this figure where you have on the right side a vertical that goes up 3 units. Then there is a side that goes off at an angle downward. The angle isn't given, but it's 3 units. And then from there, you're given another side that's 4 units. That's at a right angle or perpendicular to the side 3. And then lastly, a side 5 that is also at a right angle with respect to the side 4 and conjoins with the base, and it's given to be 5 units long. And the problem is find the base. Well, the key to this problem is filling that corner to create 2 triangles. And how you fill that upper corner, I did so with dashed lines. All I did was I built a rectangle out. I already have the 2 sides given, 3 and 4, and I just built out the rectangle with side 3, which just continued up the side 5 at the same angle, and then side 4, and side 4 joins the figure at point A. That's where the 2 conjoin. And also what we do is we then bifurcate that figure, that 4-sided figure. It's kind of diamond shape, an odd diamond shape figure, but we bifurcate it with the line AB. And we apply the Pythagorean theorem 2 times. Once for the upper triangle, which we denote as triangle A. That's the top triangle above the bifurcation line. And triangle B, which is the lower triangle. Both are right triangles. And B is the one of interest because that's got the base that we're trying to solve. So now, by having built that rectangle, that 3-4 rectangle out, we have now a right triangle on the top with a base of 8 and a height of 4. And so we can get that line AB, which I denoted as R, using the Pythagorean theorem. So R squared is equal to 8 squared plus 4 squared. And so we have 8 squared plus 16, or 64 plus 16, which is 80. And then you take the square root of that, and then we have the distance AB, which is R. And now we have the hypotenuse for the lower triangle plus the height. So we have a triangle, right triangle, with a height of 3 and a hypotenuse of square root of 80. And all we do then is apply the Pythagorean theorem again. we have x squared plus 3 squared equals r squared. But we know what r squared is. That's 80. And 3 squared is 9. We got to bring it over to the other side of the equation. And we have x squared equal to 71, or x equals the square root of 71. And if we approximate that, it's approximately 8.43. So it's as simple as that to solve this problem. It's about a 2-minute problem, to tell you the truth. Once you figure out the key to solving the problem. Now, the way Mind Your Decisions solves it, it looks like they're sliding sides. They look like they slide that one side 3 down and then slide the side 4 up. And that's not a very intuitive way of presenting the solution. The better way is to show that you're really building out a rectangle to fill in that upper corner, which allows you then to create 2 triangles when you bisect it with the line AB. And you can solve then for the unknowns using the Pythagorean theorem. So it's actually quite a simple problem, but you can spend a long time trying to solve this thing using other approaches. In particular, noting that you can make a 3, 4, 5 triangle with that corner instead of building out a 3, 4 rectangle. It's very tempting to use the 3, 4, 5 triangle, but there's no way you can proceed from there and get meaningful dimensions and sides. It just leads you down a rabbit hole. And I tried other methods, but this is the method that works. And it's once you work it out, it becomes simple, and you've got this thing solved in just a couple of minutes. So anyway, that's it. It's not a long video, but I thought that this was probably a better way of showing the solution to the problem. It's a little bit more intuitive, and to see exactly why what Mind Your Decisions did can be justified. Because basically you're building out a rectangle that fills in that upper corner that's missing. So anyway, if you have any questions, just leave them in the post, and I'll try and get back to you. Leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. But anyway, I hope that this has been informative, and I wish you all best of luck.